Honestly, before every bootcamp, I can't help but feel excited. What excites me most about a London Bootcamp is the hands-on approach. Participants really get to dive into MetaDefender solutions to explore how they work in the real-world scenarios.
I think feature-wise, the sandboxing features really stood out, along with the kiosk, so it's been really helpful. Definitely recommend it. Yeah.
MD Core is the focus of this bootcamp, where participants get experience with its key features. They see firsthand how it integrates into their existing cybersecurity infrastructure to protect from threats across various data sources.
This is amazing because you can have a chance to see new people, to see the platform closer with the trainer. It was amazing for me.
You know how it works in case if something is not working, they will show it to you.
This training helped me so much to explore more better the MetaDefender core, and now we can secure our application and give our company more confident about security.
Thank you to everyone who joined MetaDefender Bootcamp in London. It's been an amazing few days of hands-on experience. As you head back, I'm confident that you will be applying these strategies and skills learned here. We are excited for our 2025 bootcamps with even more advanced topics and interactive sessions. Missed this one? Visit OPSWATacademy.com for upcoming dates and locations.